3, 2, 1.
Biceps brachii, brachialis, and brachyradialis work to flex what part of the body? The answer is C, forearm. What two states of matter are included in the category fluids? The answer is C, liquids and gases. Which city hosted the Summer Olympics in 2016? The answer is A, Rio de Janeiro. Which furniture item has drawers and is used for storage? The answer is C, dresser. What is the only class of animals that has hair? The answer is B, mammals. Who identified DNA's double helix structure? The answer is B, Rosalind Franklin. What famous Israeli liqueur comes in a genie-shaped bottle and has a distinctive chocolate/orange flavor? The answer is A, Sabra. Which of these is the most important product of Virginia forests? The answer is C, hardwood lumber. The skin plays an important role in preventing the escape of what commonly found liquid from the body? The answer is B, water. What year was the pilot episode of the Avengers broadcast? The answer is B, 1961. Which country is not part of the United Nations Security Council's P5? The answer is D, India. Which star has the highest surface temperature? The answer is A, Sun. Which disorder is characterized by excessive fear or discomfort during social situations? The answer is C, social anxiety disorder. Stewie, a character from the series Family Guy, breaks off what part of the body of the family dog's mom? The answer is C, her tail. Which of the following reflects the most light? The answer is A, snow. Which car manufacturer is known as the Horseless Carriage Company? The answer is B, General Motors. What is the term for a person's tendency to perceive themselves more favorably than others do? The answer is C, illusory superiority. What 80s rocker appears in the moving and thought-provoking 2000 drama, Pay It Forward? The answer is A, John Bon Jovi. Which decreases visibility while driving? The answer is B, spraying windshield fluid. Fourth graders are planning a roller skate race. Which surface would be the best for this race? The answer is C, blacktop. In Nathaniel Hawthorne's The House of the Seven Gables, the destitute Hepzibah Pynchon lives in the house and supports her brother, Clifford, who has just been released from jail. Why was he in jail? The answer is D, murder. What police inspector harasses the Saint often in the 60s TV series of the same name? The answer is D, Claude Eustace Steele. Which film is about a man who falls into a hole? The answer is B, Holes. What is often found in the middle of a road but never in the middle of a park? The answer is A, fire hydrant. Inflation reduces my purchasing power. Who am I? The answer is D, currency. In what Robert De Niro movie does Meryl Streep play a supporting role as the female character Linda? The answer is B, The Deer Hunter. What was the name of the handsome, selfish teacher in Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets? The answer is D, Professor Gilderoy Lockhart. What is the largest chess set ever made? The answer is D, 92 FT. In what book of the Harry Potter series does Professor Trelawney get fired? The answer is A, Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. In the 2007 movie Transformers, Bumblebee is an Autobot disguised as what kind of car? The answer is A, a Camaro. What is regulated by the reticular formation? The answer is C, wakefulness. Which mountain range has the deepest canyon on Earth? The answer is B, Yarlung Sanpo. I am never hungry or thirsty. I have no mouth, yet speak over 70 languages. Who am I? The answer is D, letters. What type of socks are typically worn for sports? The answer is B, no-show socks. A laser beam is aimed at 4 different objects. Through which of these objects will the laser beam pass and be refracted? The answer is D, a glass prism. On the show Grey's Anatomy, who says this to George's dad? The answer is C, Christina. Which changes will most likely have a negative effect on an ecosystem? The answer is A, building a road. What is the process by which plants capture the energy of sunlight and use carbon dioxide from the air and water to make their own food called? The answer is A, photosynthesis. What is categorized by the forces holding the individual atoms, ions, or molecules together? The answer is C, solids. What does the URL in web address stand for? The answer is B, Uniform Resource Locator. What is the term for something that limits the growth or development of an organism, population, or process? The answer is B, limiting factor. The North Dakota State Fair is held in which city each August? The answer is D, Minot. Ron Palillo played the nerdy Swethug Arnold on the sitcom Welcome Back, Kotter. What was the character's last name? The answer is D, Horshack. What process would be impossible without some variation in the inherited traits of organisms within a species? The answer is B, natural selection. Which of these was not a character in Finding Nemo? The answer is C, Sebastian. As altitude increases, the air temperature will do what? The answer is C, nosedive. What is the architectural style of Petra, Jordan? The answer is A, Romanesque. Which tool is used for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts? The answer is C, wrench. Which of the following is a First Lady's correct name? The answer is A, Elizabeth Virginia Wallace Truman. Which of these resources is renewable?